wanted to take this time to formally invite you to the wedding. It's going to be a destination wedding.
We gotta get our passports first.
I am illegal in 92 countries. I cannot be going all the way to no Bahamas, honey.
Y'all gonna have an open bar?
Yes.
We will be there.
Yep.
What we doing back here? We supposed to be sitting up in the big first class seat, not sitting back here like we damn Rosa Parks in the back of the bus. These seats so tight, girl. Y'all give me a mammogram. Welcome to the Bahamas. I feel rich. This is my room. I feel like Santa Ross.
This bachelor party's gonna be lit.
Is it gonna be church music being played? We can pray?
Oh yeah, we gonna be praying.
How much you know about this boy? Why is she rushing, damn?
It is what it is.
She is up to something.
Will you just enjoy yourself?
You about to get punched yourself. You know something ain't right about this. Something ain't right about it at all. If you don't have trust in a marriage, you don't have nothing.
But dear, just relax. Y'all don't know how to act.
Oh, ain't that cute? She got on them shims. You know, your shimmies, she shimmied from Kim Kardashian.
Okay, I guess I hear that.
You gotta open your arms wide and embrace whatever it is that's coming at you. Mabel. I'm gonna tell you right now, I ain't been through a tube that little since I was born. I'm not gonna go through another one. No, man.
Sizzling yet, they say I'm too hot.